The OnePlus 15T is shaping up to be one of the most interesting smartphones of 2026, especially for people who prefer compact phones but still want powerful hardware. A new leak has revealed fresh details that make this device even more exciting than expected. The biggest surprise is the battery, which could completely change expectations for small-screen flagship phones. According to a new report from well-known leaker Digital Chat Station, OnePlus may equip the OnePlus 15T with a massive 7500 mAh battery. This is much larger than what was previously rumored and far bigger than what is normally seen in phones with smaller displays. If this information turns out to be accurate, the OnePlus 15T could have the largest battery ever used in a small-screen smartphone. This move shows that OnePlus is taking battery life very seriously. In recent years, many users have complained that compact phones often sacrifice battery size. OnePlus seems to be addressing this problem directly by packing a giant battery into a relatively small device. The goal appears to be simple: offer long-lasting battery life without forcing users to carry a large and heavy phone. The OnePlus 15T is expected to be the successor to the OnePlus 30T. The previous model was launched as the OnePlus 13s in India, but it never received a proper global release. Despite that, it gained attention for offering flagship-level features in a smaller form factor. With the OnePlus 15T, OnePlus seems ready to push this idea even further. Along with the huge battery, several key specifications have also been confirmed by the same leak. The phone is expected to feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a 1/5K resolution. This screen size places the device firmly in the compact category, especially when compared to today's oversized smartphones. Even more impressive is the rumored 165 Hz refresh rate, which is extremely high and should make scrolling, gaming, and animations feel incredibly smooth. The display panel is likely to be LTPS instead of LTPO. While LTPO panels are known for better power efficiency, LTPS panels can still deliver excellent performance and quality. Given the massive battery size, power efficiency may not be a major concern for this device. The large battery could easily compensate for any extra power usage from the high refresh rate display. Security features also seem to be well covered. The OnePlus 15T is expected to include an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner under the display. Ultrasonic scanners are generally faster and more reliable than optical ones, especially when fingers are wet or dirty. This would be a welcome upgrade and help the phone feel more premium. Camera hardware is another area where the OnePlus 15T looks promising. The leak mentions a 50-megapixel telephoto camera using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor. This suggests that OnePlus is focusing on zoom photography, not just basic wide-angle shots. A good telephoto camera can make a big difference for portraits and distant subjects, and it is a feature often missing in mid-range phones. The phone may also come with a metal frame, which would improve durability and give it a more premium feel. Combined with the compact size, this could make the OnePlus 15T comfortable to hold while still feeling solid and well-built. In terms of launch timing, OnePlus may announce the OnePlus 15T around April 2026. This would place it slightly after the expected releases of the iPhone 17, Samsung Galaxy A57, and Google Pixel Hunter A. All of these devices are also expected to be relatively small and more affordable, which means the OnePlus 15T could face strong competition. However, the OnePlus 15T may stand out thanks to its unique combination of size and battery capacity. None of the competing phones are expected to offer anything close to a 7500 mAh battery. This alone could be a major selling point for users who care about battery life above everything else. One big question remains unanswered: global availability. So far, there is no clear information on whether the OnePlus 15T will launch outside of China. Last year's OnePlus 13T only appeared in China, with India getting a slightly modified version called the OnePlus 13s. Other regions were left out completely. There is some hope this time, though. Reports suggest that companies like Oppo and Vivo are planning to launch more of their devices internationally. Since OnePlus is closely related to these brands, it would not be surprising to see the OnePlus 15T released in more markets. If that happens, the phone could gain a lot of attention worldwide. Looking at the bigger picture, the OnePlus 15T has the potential to become a mid-range champion. The standard OnePlus 15 has already been successful, and the 15T could build on that momentum. With a compact design, flagship-level display, strong camera hardware, premium build quality, and an extremely large battery, the phone checks many important boxes. Of course, pricing will play a crucial role. If OnePlus manages to keep the price competitive, the OnePlus 15T could attract users who want long battery life without paying flagship prices. It could also appeal to people who are tired of large phones and want something easier to use with one hand. In the end, the OnePlus 15T is shaping up to be a very exciting device. A 7500 mAh battery in a small screen phone is something rarely seen, and it shows that OnePlus is willing to take bold steps. Everything now depends on the final specifications, pricing, and most importantly, whether the phone launches globally. If all these pieces come together, the OnePlus 15T could easily become one of the most talked about smartphones of the year.